Welcome, guys. This is Enema Pros channel again. So today I'm here to teach on a topic on how to make money free online without having a website or without owning a YouTube channel. These two things are actually a way for you to make money. They are actually a way for you to make money, but you can actually make money without having those two things. So I will teach you on how to do these things with your smartphone, as in with your mobile phone. So although it might not even work for me the way it will work for you, so but this is a step that I'm very sure of and I've confirmed it. So I will show you on the screen right now. So you follow it step by step and I assure you that you will achieve what you are looking for. So how to make money online without owning a website or without owning a YouTube channel. So let's get to it.
To let you know that yes, you can actually make money without owning a YouTube channel or without owning a website. So we'll be getting to that. So, but without wasting of any much time, I would like you to subscribe to my channel because this channel is very enlightening. As in, it will teach you so many things in education, educating stuffs, in technology, in many skills, in entertainment itself. The YouTube channel will help you. So please, for our own support, to encourage us that are doing this thing to keep up the work, so you help us and subscribe. It is free, so that it will serve as an encouragement for us, because it's not really easy making all these videos, and you also know we are not making anything from it yet. It's a new YouTube channel, so you can just help us and subscribe. Okay, so let's get. So the first step now is to head on to your Chrome or your Opera Mini or any browser that you like using. If it is Samsung Internet, anyone, so you will search for Adistera. Yeah, Adistera. You have been hearing this, but this is actually different, so this will benefit you. I'll share a lot of secrets. So you'll search for Adistera. So as you are seeing me doing, so you do the same thing. You search for Adistera. So I don't know if my network is so fast like that, but let's try it. So tap Adistera and search. So all these ones are advertisement, please don't fall for it. So this is the right one. You click the publisher, or you just click it. Click Adistera. Click the first guy adistera.com. Then click sign up. Please mind you, sign up as a publisher. Eh? Sign up as a publisher. Then you will put in your details. So put in your name, your email address, just follow it to set it up, then you press continue. So for now, I'm not going to set it up, but I'll log into my account. I have an account before, so I'll log into the account direct now. So so after you sign up, you should be able to log in. Yeah, you'll confirm your email address. So you confirm your email address, then you'll be able to log in. So let me log in. So let's know how it is going to be. So I'm trying to log in now. My network is not that very good, but I'm trying my best. So let's wait for it to load so that I can log in. So and now it is already logging in. Yeah, this is what you see after signing up. So head straight to direct link, and you click direct link as you are seeing me doing. So click direct link. Click direct link and wait for it to load. So you press the add website, add new link, sorry. For this, that one is for those people that have websites. So you click add new direct link. So you click it. Yeah, click add new direct link. Then for it to generate very well, we will need to select everything here. No, you need to select adult, leave it at adult, but select as erotic software alert, select everything, then press add. So as you can see now, it is still pending, but you have nothing to worry about. It doesn't take 1 minute for them to approve, so we'll wait here now until they approve it before we can continue. So I'll try and refresh this website now. Let's see if it has already been approved or not. Although they'll give me an email that it has already been approved, but yes, there's no need of going back to check because we have full assurance that they are going to approve it. So let's just refresh it and see if it has already been approved or not. So I'm trying to refresh it right now. So this is it, and you can see it is already active. It's not pending again, it is active. I have four of it. So the fourth one, that is the first one there, that is the new one that we created. So you have to press copy. This is it. So you have to press copy. That is this is the link that we created now. They have approved it and it's active already. So you need to press copy. Then after copying it, you need to start up open a new tab. Sorry, you need to open a new tab and search for bit.ly. So this is it, bit.ly.com. Click the bit.ly.com. So all we have to do now is to paste that link here. So you have to paste the link here. So click it, paste the link here, paste it. Sorry. uh, then press shorten. After pasting it, you press shorten. This is what the link looks like. So press shorten, and as you can see now, it is already done, as in it has shortened the link. See the link here. So you have to press copy, and copy this new one. So press copy, and copy the new link. So this is it. So press copy now and copy the new link. After copying it, you will head up straight to your Facebook account. As in, if you have any Facebook account or any social media account that you want to use. So after copying this now, we'll be heading straight to your Facebook account. Let me show you things you can do now to generate the money. So this is my Facebook account. Look at what I typed here. So this is a group. You search for many groups, as you can see. So all you have to do is just type something random. It's a type of hack. Let me just say it's an hack. So you do it so that people will, you understand, click your link. The more people click your link, the more you earn money. Especially people from outside the country, like tier one countries like USA, like all those countries, Pakistan and the rest. So you look at what I typed. I said 200 naira time for 30 people. So people don't used to see, they don't use take a giveaway for a play. So they like giveaway very well. So you have to just do it like this and they will click. So it is, you just find something doing. So join numerous groups and do this. And you can also go to your join numerous group and do it. You can also go to your Facebook status. You will post a nude image. I advise you create a new account, post a nude image, and also post link. People will click, then you will generate money. Thanks.